So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Orient Green Power Share. So previously, when you've done the complete technical analysis, we have seen what are the important supports and resistances. So it has given a little bit of correction in the recent times. That is, one day correction was observed, and again today it has shown a positive reversal. So many people had different queries related to what can be the next possible targets. So we'll try to do the complete analysis. So make sure you're watching the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so before we go to the daily chart, so first we'll try to do the complete technical analysis on weekly chart. So clearly this is the weekly chart and the stock has given a very good movement in the recent time. So in between 1 week it has given a red candle, but that red candle also is a positive thing because from the lower levels buyers have pushed the price. So same thing was observed in this particular week also. It has almost came to the 12 rupees level. So from that zone again buyers have started pushing the price in the upside direction, and again we can see it has closed near the 13.30 rupees level with almost 5% upper circuit. So market was also not stable. So in the last two sessions we have seen a downfall in the market. So obviously when market is falling, so small caps, mid caps, micro caps, so they will also show the same correction, and the stock also has entered into that lower circuit region. So today morning a bit buying was observed, but later it has closed in that upper circuit zone. So next important level is going to be the 14 rupees level. So once it crosses that 14, we can expect the stock would approach the first immediate 20 rupees level. So from then, if it crosses that 20 also, we can expect the stock to travel up in the upside direction very well. So keep that 14 rupees level in radar initially, and then we'll go to the 20 rupees level. Okay, supports wise, first support would be the same 12 rupees level would be the immediate support, so where you can search for buying opportunity. Okay, so this is in weekly chart. So let's even go to daily chart. Okay, so another most important thing that I wanted to discuss in the weekly chart itself is the crossover that has been generated. So clearly I keep telling, so whenever a small moving average is crossing a larger time frame moving average, it is always considered as a golden crossover, and that clearly happened in the stock. So there is also a very good bullish confirmation in green power stock. Okay, so next if we try to observe the daily chart, so daily chart also we can see the stock is going very well, and as I told, a red candle was started, but again in this today's session after coming down again it has started picking that buying volume and it has closed in that upper circuit region. So little more movement is required. So as I told, 14 rupees level is going to be very important. So once it crosses that 14 rupees level, we have the most important target of 20 in the upside direction. So it is a good stock. I can tell that invest in small portions and just forget about it. So if everything goes well, you can get some very good returns in mid-term to long term. Okay. So many times I've discussed about this stock in Telegram also. So stay tuned there. If anything important, I will post in the Telegram group so you can take your decision accordingly. So that is all about green power. So any further questions you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.